Hi lovely people, welcome back to Elizabeth Healthy Plate. Today we are making something delicious, hearty and healthy. Spicy Nduma, also known as Arrowroots, served with a fresh fruit salad and your favorite drink. Let's get cooking. First, I peeled and washed the nduma thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then I sliced them into nice even shapes. Not too thick, not too thin, just perfect for cooking. I placed them in a pot, added water and boiled them for about 20 minutes until they were soft and tender. In another pan, I fried 2 chopped onions until golden and fragrant. Then added a good handful of fresh coriander to bring in that amazing aroma and flavor. I made sure all the flavor blended well, the onions, coriander and soft nduma coming together beautifully. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Elizabeth Healthy Plate for more healthy, simple, and tasty recipe straight from my kitchen to yours. See you in the next video and have a happy cooking. And here it is. Spicy Nduma, served with a refreshing fruit salad and drink of your choice. Perfect for a healthy, filling meal.